Hello, this is Lost in Tech. Welcome back to another video. Finally, after repairing many people's phones, our business line phone has been dropped by one of our staff members. It is in need of a screen replacement, as you can see. The black screen is touch is working fine, I suppose, but it's 88 battery percent, so gonna need to change it. So, switch off the mobile phone. Fortunately, we do not stock up 6S screens unless people need them. So I've only got this last, I think it's pre-owned screen, 6S screen working. And then I'll just transfer this good home button over to that. Those are two recycled screens. We do not stock up 6S screens because they are not a popular model anymore. And it is very old. Unless you need a 6S repair, we can sort it out for you, but otherwise we don't stock up the parts. We only stock up batteries for it, and we have like 2 screens in it. Only when we need them we get them in. So let's just pry up the phone. There's no bottom screws in, unfortunately. No, that's the wrong screw. Get these two, yeah. Make sure you don't mix up your screws. If you do, you will receive a backlight issue. Disconnect the battery, isolate the power. Isolate power. Then move up to the top bracket. And then the bottom screw. Top screw. And then the corner screw. That was ripped. I'm not gonna need her anyways. Take out the old screen. It's a shame, this was a good phone, I suppose. We're not gonna need it anyways since we've got issues, so now what I want you to do is you're gonna need to take this old flex that was just stuck on. Now what I want you to do is get this home button. There's one screw missing. I need to remagnetize my screwdrivers. Okay. And you want to take off the plate. And then you want to gently pry it off that. There you go. That'll go in the broken screen lot. Then you want to get the screen you'll be using, pop it in, make sure it's sat in nice and flush. Sat in perfectly. Yep. Then from there, where is the bracket there? First plug in the home button. Make sure that's plugged in. And get your screws. Make sure they're in place because you don't want to have the home button wobble around. This non-being magnetic is an issue for me. straight. Yeah. And then these two are the same size. Yep, no wiggle, no play. Assemble this screen. Here's get your first flex on. One moment. And that's all satin. Then we need to put on this fella. Hold it down while you put in the screws, because you want to get your top screw. There you go, that's in. And then the rest are the same size, just that one big one on the corner. That's sorted. Then plug in your battery, test the functionality. Yep, it's working. And now let's pop that on. We'll pop on the screen. The screen is being popped on now, it's just the battery plate. We finally got a new as soon as saying that, I've dropped. Hey, sorry about that, guys. We finally fixed the stand somehow. But now we just get this last screw in. So we just put this last one in. Let me just. There you go, and then you want to seal up your phone, get it shut. Bit of an odd match here since there's a grey phone and I'm putting a white screen on it, but doesn't really matter, it's just for us to get calls in, calls out. We don't really use it for much anyways, to be honest. Calls in, calls out. There you go, the phone is sealed up. Yep, working fine. Let's just get this sticker off. Get some isopropyl. Where are you? Where did I put the alcohol? Don't tell me I've lost it. Where are you? Oh, there it is. Repair sorted. Let's just get that wiped too. Okay. There's a business line sorted. Now it needs charge. I haven't. So yeah, we have two business lines. This is our second phone, but this is not the main one. The main one I have there. 07543 810 is our main business line, and this is our second one. Thank you for watching Lost in Tech iRepairs.